Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating an Ssas multidimensional project in SQL Server Data Tools. Once done, add a data source that points to the relational database containing facts and dimensions. Make sure credentials and impersonation are correct. Next, you build a data source view and include only the tables you need, then validate keys and relationships in the DSV. This establishes the metadata Ssas uses, so get the schema clean and relationships accurate before moving to dimensions and measures. You now define dimensions from the DSV tables, pick the key and name attributes, and mark attribute relationships for performance. Once dimensions are built, add user hierarchies, for example year, quarter, month, and set attribute properties like type and usage so browsing works intuitively. Then run the cube wizard to choose measure groups from fact tables, select aggregation designs, and set storage options. Make sure calculations and named sets are configured. These become the core measures and analytical structures. You finish by deploying the project to the Ssas instance, then process the dimensions and cube. Start with full processing the first time to populate aggregations. Once processing completes, browse the cube to verify measure values, hierarchies, and aggregation behavior. Compare samples back to source queries. Finally, configure role-based security, back up the Ssas database, and schedule incremental processing. If processing fails or values are missing, check DSV relationships, key uniqueness, and processing logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.